Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see daily technical analysis in gold. We'll start the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be analyzing the trend of the market and Fibonacci's support and resistance levels. You can use it as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we analyze a price action in daily time frame, we already know that this whole area between 2014 and 1973 is acting as a very strong resistance area. Previously, the price action tested the resistance level of 1973 and it couldn't break this level. It went on a retracement. I've also drawn the line over here, the black color line. You can notice that the price action is continuously on a bullish trend, and after testing this level, you can notice that the bullishness has reduced, but it is trading above the 61.80% in Fibonacci's retracement level, and the price action has not made new highs. So we can see the consolidation or the bullishness getting weaker and weaker. But as long as the Russia and Ukraine war tension is there, we can expect the bullishness to continue, and once this issue is under control, we can expect a bearish trend to start. The first level of support is going to be around 1877, which is a 50% retracement level in Fibonacci's retracement tool, and if it breaks this support level, we can expect the next level of support to be around 1830, which is the 38.20% in Fibonacci's retracement level. Here also we have the trend line or the support line running over here from the past price action, and this is holding the price from falling more on the bearish side. Currently, when we analyze the price action, it is still in a strong bullish trend. The current price action is trading between the resistance level of 1974 and support level of 1923, and in the past also this level had acted as a very strong resistance level, and price action has retraced from this level. So when the war tension is under control, we can expect a retracement to start from this level. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, there is a trend line or the support line from the daily time frame holding the price action from falling down on the bearish side. And when we look at the current price action, it is trading above the support level of 1923, but it is trading below the resistance level of 1973. This was the highest level it has gone, and from here it went on a bearish trend and took support on the 50% retracement level from the Fibonacci's retracement tool, and it is on a sideways movement. It has not made new highs or it has not made new lows. It is on a sideways for now. I have also drawn the resistance line over here. You can notice that from this level the price has not gone on a bullish side. The ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional movement to start on the bearish side or on the bullish side. As long as this trend line is not breached, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and currently when we notice the price action, it is trading between the 78.60% and 61.80% in Fibonacci's retracement tool. This is a valid retracement level, and if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish trend to start in this currency pair, and if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1973, we can expect the bullish trend to start. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways and trading within a triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a directional movement to start in this currency pair. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it was continuously in a very nice bullish trend and formed a double top pattern, which means a bearish trend reversal, and took support on this higher time frame support level of 1923, and currently the price action is moving on a sideways. So the range in which the price action is currently trading is becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional movement to start in this currency pair. In 30 minutes it has to break this support line or the trend line in order to go on a bearish side trades. But still we have the daily time frame support line over here. So if it wants to continue its bearish trend, it has to break this trend line also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. Here in 5 minutes time frame also I have drawn a resistance line over here. So you can see that it is clearly consolidating and moving on a sideways. It is forming into a triangle pattern. So if the price action breaks on the bullish side, it has to break this hourly time frame resistance line also in order to continue its bullishness. And if the price action breaks on the bearish side, it has to break the daily time frame support line in order to continue its bearish side trend. And we have the higher time frame support level of 1923 in between this triangle pattern. Let us wait and see which direction the price action breaks. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. And currently the price action is on a sideways or in a consolidation within this resistance line and the support line. Soon we can expect a directional movement to start in this currency pair. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.